Hello friends, today I will explain you what is the difference between function formula in MS Excel. In MS Excel, this question is mostly asked the interviewer what's the difference between formula and function. Here today I will explain you what's the mean by formula and function. Formula which function make or created by users, that is called formula. And function which function is defined or inbuilt by Microsoft Excel, that is called function. What's the example behind? Here is one. We have take the one example. The column A have 3 digit of value 10, 20 and 30. Now we calculate the sum of these values. How to sum? By formula. We create the formula one by one, calculate the cell uh, F8, F9 and F10 and then enter. We have get the result. And now through function, uh, Excel function is defined some formula like some function, uh, calculate the range and enter. Result is same, but some difference. This is created by user and this is defined by already functions. In MS Excel is inbuilt function. So you can see here is what's the difference between function and formula. If you like my videos, please subscribe to this my channel and share this video to your friend circle. Don't forget to click on bell buttons for my new upcoming videos.